I wanted to show the differentiation of putting in a very short, brief prompt versus one that's really meaty. This is how I usually prompt when I'm using AI. I'm very detailed because I want a very specific outcome. So let's go ahead and get this demo underway and see what we get. Crafting, crafting, crafting. Custom AI aside, I love how you can choose which AI system you want to use if you're using Notion AI. So you can choose like Sonnet or Gemini or something like that. And this is the um, this is what we got. I like how it breaks it down timeline wise because I think sometimes as an actor when you are wanting to to package yourself as a specific product, sometimes it's just so rushed. And with this custom agent green room 2.0 breaking down the proper timeline, I just think it's just so amazing. It gives you a 30-second draft, tell me about yourself and about this help, and then look, it gives you a checklist. Okay, all right, so these are the 5 modes. Again, you can pause this video. I'm sorry if I'm like going fast, but you can pause this and just to really see how different each mode is. One of my favorite things is a checklist. I just think that's so cool. All right. So thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you for looking at my custom agent demos. I hope you liked watching them as much as I liked making this. It was such a labor of love. So fun. Again, this is accessible for Notion Business and Enterprise Plan holders. If not, you are more than welcome to be inspired by this and create your own custom agent for whatever niche that you need. If you are interested in building your own custom agent and you have questions for me, you can actually schedule time with me and I can walk you through the process of building your own custom agent. Yeah. Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a good one wherever you are.